Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. AVAX saw a few green candles today. Obviously good news for the crypto market in general about the Bitcoin ETF, which now has been approved. Well, not just one, all of them. So the ETFs have been approved. Bitcoin is now in a state of calmness. Did obviously rally in the last few days quite a bit, whereas now the altcoins are catching up. So we start to see a small altcoin rally. We see AVAX move up, not pump, I wouldn't say that, but AVAX is moving up. We talked about it yesterday only, and I want to share with you my latest thoughts. I think this C wave that we talked about yesterday is now unfolding. If we see a convincing break above the descending trend line, that would look like this B wave. Bear in mind, B waves can overshoot. It could also still be another extension in the A wave, which I now or yesterday already marked complete here at this high on the 24th of December. So my primary scenario is that this move down is an A wave, this now is a B wave, and then the C wave down is still to come in a larger B wave pullback, or this A wave is getting basically another extension. Okay, but it will be hard to see a difference between another extension in wave A and an overshooting B wave. So I would say it will be very difficult to tell the difference. So that means from this support area that I gave you, from this trend reversal area, trading area, which isn't the best setup, but it is one, we can watch for more highs, further increases here in the next few days possibly. And let's talk about the next resistances. We obviously have this descending trend line. That's one. Then we have the previous swing high that needs to be broken at $39.50. That looks a bit like a mini resistance. This one seems to be a bit more relevant. It's at $43.40. Yeah, and then obviously the main one, which is the high, the 24th of December high, at basically, $50. So these are the resistances. If this is wave C of B, then the standard resistance, would be placed here between $40.76 and $46. So certainly pay some attention to this area there. It's a small, well, I should make it a bit larger. So it's a resistance area there. And okay, a break above $45.80 or $46. Would that mean we are in an extension of wave A? No, it's not that easy. B waves can overshoot, so this is only standard resistance. But it gives us some orientation, and there seems to be a cluster, therefore, of resistance between, $39.50 and $45.80. Pay attention to that. And if we see a reaction to one of these levels, okay, structural resistance or Fibonacci resistance, and we start to see a first smaller degree 5-wave move to the downside, it could be a signal to start wave C. So that means it's not bearish, but it just means we might have to prepare for that deeper pullback. Either way, I mean, even if this B wave extends and goes higher, which it can do, I mean, essentially, as long as the trend is up on this smaller time frame. That's what this trend reversal or support area is for, to maybe look for an entry point and then to possibly trade I would never enter to just trade a B wave. That's why I said it's not the best setup. But you might have speculated for a larger A. I mean, again, the parameters were quite clear. So if we get another high, then it could take us, in a more optimistic scenario, to possibly $54. From there, then, the B wave pullback could start, or from the resistance area. And that's not bearish, because if the move down is corrective, after that ABC structure, which forms a larger B wave, is complete, we should see another rally in 2024 in a larger C wave. And that could then send us to possibly, the area between $55 and $86 next. But we will need to see where the B wave ends, then we can specify the target a little better. For now, the larger B wave support area is between $12.57 and $25.57. I don't suggest we come down all the way to $12.57, or we might do, but I would say let's first see how the market reacts to these fib levels. But again, in the short term, we first of all need to see this B wave play out, and then to confirm that this C wave down has started, the move down afterwards. We need to see obviously a first 5-wave move down on a smaller time frame or smaller wave degree and a break below the red line eventually. But there might be, it would already be an early signal to see a break below $33.40, this swing low that was formed actually today. That's my update about AVAX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.